friends, today we will start with chapter number 3, Purpose. The unchecked growth and development in the previous decade has resulted in a trade-off between sustainability and economic development. This has had a negative impact on the planet. If these practices continue unabated, the implications would be severe. Taking conscience of this, it is important to conserve the environment for the future generations. This is where the term sustainable development comes into picture. Sustainable development is all about finding ways and means to balance different and often competing needs against environmental awareness, social and economic constraints that we face as a society. The decisions that we take today as a society will have a far-reaching impact on the future generations. The Sustainable Development Goals have been drafted to ensure well-being, economic prosperity of humankind and environmental protection. Our topic is Sustainable Development Goals. The Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs) are also known as global goals, which provide a holistic and multidimensional view on the development. The 17 SDGs are as follows. First, no poverty. Second, zero hunger. Third, good health and well-being. Fourth, quality education. Fifth, gender equality. Sixth, clean water and sanitation. Seventh, affordable and clean energy. Eighth, decent work and economic growth. Ninth, industry, innovation and infrastructure. 10th, reduced inequalities. 11th, sustainable cities and communities. 12th, responsible consumption and production. 13th, climate action. 14th, life below water. 15th, life on land. 16th, peace and justice and strong institutions. 17th, partnerships for the goals. They were embraced all the member states of United Nations in the year 2015 as a clarion call to take action against global issues such as poverty, climate change, environmental degradation, and inequality in order to make the world a better place to live in and save our planet. The 17 goals adopted at the UN Conference at Sustainable Development in Rio de Janeiro pledge to reach the furthest behind first by 2030. In total, 169 specific targets accompany these 17 goals. This is a universal call for the action by all the countries, whether they are poor or rich, to promote prosperity while protecting the environment. Now we will talk about the three dimensions of sustainable development. The three dimensions of sustainable development are as follows: economic efficiency, environmental responsibility, and social solidarity. Sustainable development is possible in true sense only with a long-term structural strategy for the world's economic and social systems, which aim to significantly cut down the burden on the environment to a permanently variable level without disrupting economic growth and maintaining social cohesion. The three dimensions are interdependent. The level of integration in SDGs is unprecedented. The concept completely adopts all its dimensions, including environment. In order to achieve these goals, it is imperative to understand and address interlinkages between them. Sustainable development requires a more holistic, coherent, and integrated approach. For example, eradicating poverty, which is the greatest global challenge. But poverty is not an isolated goal, as it is linked with other SDGs, such as quality education, health, and job opportunities. Therefore, poverty directly and indirectly affects other sustainable development goals. There is a reference of disability in the SDGs linked to education, growth, and employment, inequality, and accessibility of human settlements. For example, Goal 4 calls for providing inclusive and equitable quality education and lifelong learning opportunities to everyone, including persons with disability. Similarly, Goal 8 is aimed at promoting sustained, inclusive, and sustainable economic growth by providing productive employment and decent work environment for women and men, including persons with disabilities. Now we will learn the objectives of Sustainable Development Goals. Some of the targets of each Sustainable Development Goals are as follows. Goal 1. Equal rights to economic resources. Goal 2. End all forms of malnutrition. Goal 3. Reduce global maternal mortality ratio. Goal 4. Eliminate gender disparities in education. Goal 5. Eliminate all forms of violence against women. Goal 6. Improve water quality by reducing pollution. Goal 7. Facilitate access to clean energy. Goal 8. Promote development-oriented policies. Goal 9. Promote inclusive and sustainable industrialization. Goal 10. Promote social, economic, and political inclusion of all. Goal 11. Provide access to safe and affordable housing. Goal 12. Reduce waste generation through reducing, recycling, and reuse. Goal 13. Integrate climate change measures into national policies. Goal 14. Reduce marine pollution of all kinds. Goal 15. Ensure the conservation of mountain ecosystems. Goal 16. Provide provide legal identifier for all, including birth registration. Goal 17. Mobilize additional financial resources for developing countries. Thank you, friends.